back to Hardcloud. Today we're taking a look at Volcom's new Fall Winter 2018 line, which has got some really nice kind of military green tones and kind of beigey tones, which work really well together and have perfect looks for the winter. Let's kick it off with some tees. We've got the Cresticle Tee, which has a really nice graphic screen print on the front there, just with Volcom Stone Company in a nice muted green colourway. And then the Tilt Tee, which is again a really cool graphic. Gotta love Volcom for their creative graphics, they're always a bit out there. And these are all on really nice, kind of thin cotton t-shirts, but still really nice quality. Great feeling, but just a bit thinner. And finally we've got the Crisp Stone Tee, which is again just a super classic design if you're into their more basic designs, with just their Volcom Stone logo and Volcom text on the front there. Really classic piece, great for a base layer. And moving on from there, we've got the Randower Shirt, which is really nice. It's got this super thick fleecy flannel material and a button down finish. And we've got two chest pockets on the front with a Volcom woven label there, which just makes a really nice little subtle bit of branding. And then on the back we've got this really unique kind of split panel design where the checkered pattern kind of cuts, which looks really cool. And it's also got a little Volcom Stone logo embroidered on the back there, again just with some more subtle branding. And it's also got a lined upper, which helps keep it cool. And yeah, just a really great sturdy piece, perfect for winter. If you're looking for some smaller accessories, we've got some of the new Volcom Beanies in this season. We've got the Full Stone Beanie, which has got a nice kind of loose gauge fold up design, and just a classic tonal Volcom Stone logo embroidered on the top there, which is just really nice simple piece, perfect for topping off any of these outfits. If you're looking for something a bit more out there, we've got the Scribble Stone Beanie with a waffle knit finish, which gives it a really unique kind of texture and look. Looks really unique, and it's got a cool woven patch on the front there with a gold border and just a Volcom Stone logo printed on the front, which is really nice. And then moving on from there, we've got some great basics as well. This is the single stone Crewneck. This comes in a variety of colours, and it's just got nice rib hem and cuffs and kind of a nice Volcom Stone logo embroidered on the chest. Super simple, super nice, and again it's got that kind of split panel with a diagonal kind of split across the back, which just gives this a nice unique shape and look. And yeah, really thick, really soft, great pieces for winter, just to have in your wardrobe. And then moving on, this is one of my favourites this season. This is the Shoc Pullover hoodie, which comes in this really nice kind of painted camo looking colourway, which is super unique and definitely a standout piece. It's also got a kind of waffle lining in the hood, which makes this a really unique feeling and looking piece. Also finished off with branded drawstring metal toppers, which is a really premium touch, and a Volcom woven label on the chest there. This piece just really shows off Volcom's attention to detail and kind of all the little things they throw into their pieces, which makes them such good quality. It's also got a hidden zip up compartment on the sleeve, which is super useful, and just a really unique addition to a great hoodie. And then moving on to jackets, we've got the Highstone Jacket here, which has got this really nice green canvas outer and then a contrasting kind of hoodie hood on there, and also a kind of nice fleecy hoodie material on the inside, which is super soft and super comfortable. Also featuring a button-up pocket on the inside, just for some extra storage and a bit more secure, and two button-up pockets on the front, again just for some nice secure storage, and a woven label on the chest there, just to kind of tie the whole thing together. Yeah, a super nice piece. Again, kind of out there, but not too out there. You can kind of work this in with your current wardrobe, and it will no doubt be a standout piece for you. And finally, we've got the Keaton Jacket, which is definitely a favourite this season. Loads of these going out. This has got a really nice kind of grey denim over-dyed finish on the outside, which gives us a really great look and will pair well with smart outfits and casual ones. And it's got this super soft, unmissable kind of Sherpa lining on the inside, which is relatively short pile, so it's not too thick and kind of hot, but it's still really, really cozy and definitely a great one for the autumn and winter months. And it's also got, in that matching kind of acidy denim fabric, a inside pocket with two pockets, one with a Velcro close, which is super useful again, just for some extra storage. It's got two chest pockets, one with a woven label, which is a really nice little touch, and two pouch pockets on the side, which are again lined with a super soft material, just making this a really cozy piece, and one you'll definitely not want to be taking off anytime soon this winter. And again, all these products are available at hardcloud.com, so grab them while you can.